Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Now this is grammar textbook lesson number first, parts of speech. We have discussed first part of speech, a noun. Now let's discuss second part of speech, a pronoun. Okay, let's see what is pronoun. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. So, instead of noun, the word is used here called pronoun. નામની જગ્યા ઉપર જે વર્ડ યુઝ થાય ને શું કહેવાશે? pronoun. Okay, so if I said you, so instead of your name I use the word you. So you is become pronoun. You is a pronoun. Then if I said he or she, so instead of your name I used he or she. So they are also pronoun. તમારા નામની જગ્યા ઉપર વર્ડ યુઝ થયો છે. So they are called pronoun. Okay, pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. નામની જગ્યા ઉપર જે વર્ડ યુઝ થાય અને pronoun કહેવાશે. Okay, so there are many words which used instead of noun. All the list of all words, all pronouns are given here, and these all words are used instead of noun. આ બધા જે words છે એ બધા words કોની જગ્યા ઉપર use થાય છે? nounની જગ્યા ઉપર. Okay, so they are, all these words are pronoun. Now these all words are divided into different kinds. Now let's see the 7 kinds of pronoun. All the pronouns are divided into 7 kinds. Okay, let's see the first kind of pronoun, personal pronoun. Personal pronoun, in this there are 3 parts, that is first person, second person and third person pronoun. Okay, let's see the first person pronoun. In first person pronoun, which words are used or included? So I, me, mine, myself, we, us, ours and ourselves. These all are the personal pronoun, first person personal pronoun. Now second person personal pronoun, you, yours, yourself, yourselves. So these all are included in second person personal pronoun. Okay, now third person personal pronoun, which words are included? So he, his, him, himself, she, her, herself, hers, it, its, itself, they, theirs, theirselves. All are included in third person personal pronoun. So sorry, so there are many words which are used or included in personal pronoun. Here personal pronoun is further divided into reflexive pronoun and possessive pronoun. This personal pronoun, the first kind personal pronoun. Okay, so first kind personal pronoun is further divided into possessive pronoun and reflexive pronoun. Now let's see which words are included in possessive pronoun from the personal pronoun. આ જે personal pronoun છે first kind, એની અંદરના કેટલાક words છે એમાંથી reflexive pronoun નો પાર્ટ પડશે and possessive pronoun પણ એની અંદર જ include છે. Okay, so it is further divided into two kinds, reflexive pronoun and possessive pronoun. Here I underline some word. Let's see. Mine, ours, yours, his, hers. These all are possessive pronoun. Okay, all are possessive pronoun. So આ personal pronoun માંથી આ જે word underline કર્યા છે એ words શેની અંદર કયા પાર્ટ્સની અંદર include થશે? They all are possessive pronoun. Okay, we will discuss it later, but you have to remind it that mine, ours, yours, his, hers, these all are included in possessive pronoun. Okay, now let's see the other words. Myself, ourselves, yourself, himself, him, herself, themselves, yourselves. So these all are words. They are included in reflexive pronoun. I think reflexive pronoun and emphasizing pronoun we have discussed in 7th standard. Do you understand? Okay, or remember that one, that myself, yourself, yourselves, himself, herself, themselves. These all are the words which are used or included in reflexive pronoun. Okay, so personal pronoun, some words are included in possessive pronoun and some words of personal pronoun they are included in reflexive pronoun. Okay, now let's see demonstrative pronoun. So which word are used or included in demonstrative pronoun? Let's see. These, that, these and those. These are the words which are included in demonstrative pronoun. Okay, now third part or third kind of pronoun is relative pronoun. So which are the words used or included in relative pronoun? So who, whom, whose, which. So these all are the words included in relative pronoun. Now fourth kind of pronoun is interrogative pronoun. And which are the words included in interrogative pronoun? That is who, whose, whom, what, which. So all other words they are used in interrogative pronoun. If we see relative pronoun and interrogative pronoun, some words are same, but don't worry, we will discuss them into some sentences. Okay, we will see these sentences used in. So it is clear which words is relative pronoun and interrogative pronoun. That is after this portion. Okay, now indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun. Now fifth kind of pronoun. So which word are used in indefinite pronoun? So one, once, none, all, some, nobody, few, many, so etc. All the words are included in indefinite pronoun. Now let's say the sixth kind, distributive pronoun. Each, either, neither. These words are included in distributive pronoun. Now seventh type of pronoun, that reciprocal pronoun. Each other, one another, they are included in reciprocal pronoun. So there are many words which are used instead of noun. We have seen that. Okay, so and some words they are same. See in third part and fourth. relative pronoun and interrogative pronoun. So these are the two types of pronoun. Some words are same, okay, but let's see all these types of pronouns word in some sentences so that you can understand them well. Okay, now let's see some examples. Use these words into some examples. Okay. Okay. Now here in personal pronoun we have seen, I think, himself, myself, yourself. Okay, these all are the words which are used in personal pronoun we have seen. But personal pronoun is further divided into possessive pronoun and reflexive pronoun. Okay, so let's see how they used in sentence. The personal pronoun, okay, and that is the reflexive pronoun. It is also part of personal pronoun we have seen first. Okay, himself, myself, itself, yourself, all the words they are used in personal pronoun. પણ પર્સનલ પ્રોનાઉનની અંદર જે વર્ડ્સ આ છે એ બીજા કયા ટાઈપ્સની અંદર ડિવાઈડ થાય છે. ઓકે, પર્સનલ પ્રોનાઉનની અંદર ઘણા બધા નેમ્સ છે, વર્ડ્સ છે. આ વર્ડ્સ આપણે બીજા ટુ ટાઈપ્સની અંદર ડિવાઈડ કરી શકીએ. ઓકે, અને ટુ ટાઈપ્સ કયા કયા છે તો રિફ્લેક્સિવ પ્રોનાઉન એન્ડ પોઝેસિવ પ્રોનાઉન. ઓકે, સો લેટ્સ સી ધ પર્સનલ પાર્ટ્સના જે બે પર્સનલ પ્રોનાઉનના બે પાર્ટ્સ છે. ઓકે, અને આપણે જોઈએ રિફ્લેક્સિવ પ્રોનાઉન એટ ફર્સ્ટ. સો આઈ હેવ બર્ન્ટ myself. So myself is reflexive pronoun. The dog burnt himself. You help yourself. He saw it himself. You are starving yourself. She poisoned herself. They themselves cooked their food. We often deceive ourselves. You will enjoy yourself. He has hurt himself. So the bold letters myself, itself, yourself, himself, yourself, herself, themselves, ourselves. Okay, so these all are reflexive pronoun. They are all used in or included in reflexive pronoun. Now let's see what is reflexive pronoun. So here in darkened part you have to write down the definition of reflexive pronoun, only the darkened part. Okay, in other words, the action done by the subject reflects upon the subject. Okay, so what is reflexive pronoun? So reflexive pronoun, the action, અહીંયાથી લખો, the action done by the subject reflects upon the subject. સબ્જેક્ટે જે કંઈ પણ એક્શન કર્યું છે એ પાછું કોના ઉપર રિફ્લેક્ટ થશે? પાછું સબ્જેક્ટ પર રિફ્લેક્ટ થશે. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, આઈ હેવ બર્ન્ટ માય સેલ્ફ. સી ધ ફર્સ્ટ સેન્ટેન્સ, આઈ હેવ બર્ન્ટ માય સેલ્ફ. હુ ઇઝ ધ સબ્જેક્ટ? દેટ આઈ. Okay, and what is the action? I burnt. Burnt is an action. એને શું કામ કર્યું? Action. And myself, એ પાછું રિફ્લેક્ટ થયું I પર. બરોબર, I is a subject or our noun. So આપણું નેમ જે છે, નાઉન જે છે, એ જે એક્શન કરશે એ જ્યારે પોતાના ઉપર રિફ્લેક્ટ થાય એવો કયો વર્ડ છે? રિફ્લેક્શન બતાવે એવો કયો વર્ડ છે? તો ઇટ ઇઝ myself. સબ્જેક્ટ ઉપર રિફ્લેક્શન કોણ બતાવે? તો માય સેલ્ફ. સો આવા જેટલા પણ વર્ડ છે જે નાઉન, નેમ ઓર સબ્જેક્ટ પર રિફ્લેક્શન બતાવે તો એને શું કહેવાશે? તો રિફ્લેક્સિવ પ્રોનાઉન. ઓકે, કે આ જે પર્સન છે, જે કોઈ પણ એમણે પોતે આ કામ કર્યું છે, સો રિફ્લેક્શન બતાવે. સો જે નાઉન છે એનું રિફ્લેક્ટ થાય, એ ફરી પાછું રિફ્લેક્ટ થાય, અને જે વર્ડ રિફ્લેક્શન બતાવે દે આર રિફ્લેક્સિવ પ્રોનાઉન. ઓકે, and this sentence આ બધા સેન્ટેન્સની અંદર કયા વર્ડ્સ છે જે રિફ્લેક્શન બતાવશે? myself, itself, yourself, himself. Okay, so these all are the word. Very good. ખબર પડી ગઈ? Fine. All are the word. They are used to reflect on subject. So they are reflexive pronoun. Okay, now let's read the definition of reflexive pronoun. The action done by the subject reflect upon the subject. The word doing so is called reflexive pronoun. Okay, તો અહીંયા સુધી લખવાનું છે. So the action done by the subject reflect upon the subject. The word doing so is called reflexive pronoun. એટલે કે જે word સબ્જેક્ટ ઉપર રિફ્લેક્શન બતાવે એ વર્ડ શું કહેવાશે? રિફ્લેક્સિવ પ્રોનાઉન. ઇટ ઇઝ ઓલ્સો કોલ્ડ એમ્ફસાઇઝિંગ પ્રોનાઉન. ઓકે, રિફ્લેક્સિવ પ્રોનાઉન એન્ડ એમ્ફસાઇઝિંગ પ્રોનાઉન. આપણે આ બધું 7th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડની અંદર સ્ટડી કરી ગયા છે. ઓકે, સો આઈ હોપ યુ રિમેમ્બર ધેટ. Now let's see possessive pronoun. Read the following sentence. This house is not yours, it is ours. So yours and ours, it is possessive pronoun. Now the school is mine. Mine is a word, it is possessive pronoun. She is reading my book. She lost hers. Hers is possessive pronoun. Give him your handkerchief. He has spoiled his. So your and his, they are possessive pronoun. That cottage is theirs. So theirs is possessive pronoun. Now let's see the definition of possessive pronoun. Here the darkened part you have to write down only. It is the definition of possessive pronoun. In the last you can see the in last. Okay, a pronoun that shows possession is called possessive pronoun. Okay, the pronoun that shows possession is called a possessive pronoun. જે વર્ડ possession બતાવે, મારું છે, તમારું છે, કોઈકનું છે, ઇટ ઇઝ possessive. ઓકે, possession બતાવે કે આપણું છે, મારું છે, તમારું છે, આવું possession બતાવે. અને એવા વર્ડ્સને શું કહેવાશે? possessive pronoun. ઓકે, yours, ours, mine, hers, yours, his, theirs, all are possessive pronoun. Understand all? Okay, you have to write down all these examples in your grammar notebook. Okay, now let's see the other types of pronoun, that is demonstrative pronoun. Okay, next type of pronoun. Now read the following sentence. This is my cycle. Those are his books. That is her tiffin. Those are their apples. So in all these sentences you can see the bold letters, blue color na letters છે જોવા મળશે, darken letters, these, those, that. Okay, these are demonstrative pronoun. When these words, these, those, that, these, okay, so when these words used instead of noun, they are pronoun. And which type of pronoun? Demonstrative pronoun. But if they are used before noun, if these words, these, those, that, these, આ જે words છે એ nounની આગળ use થાય, if all these words used before noun, they are become demonstrative adjective. Okay, If they are used instead of noun, they are demonstrative pronoun. But if they are used before noun, they are demonstrative adjective. Remember that. ઓકે, જ્યારે આ વર્ડ્સ છે એ વર્ડ્સ નેમની અથવા નાઉનની જગ્યા ઉપર યુઝ થાય તો એ ડેમોન્સ્ટ્રેટિવ પ્રોનાઉન બનશે. બટ જ્યારે આ વર્ડ નાઉનની આગળ યુઝ થશે તો એ શું બનશે? ડેમોન્સ્ટ્રેટિવ એડજેક્ટિવ. નાઉનની આગળ યુઝ થાય ત્યારે શું બનશે? ડેમોન્સ્ટ્રેટિવ એડજેક્ટિવ. ઓકે, નાઉ લેટ્સ સી demonstrative adjective example. Now, this cycle is mine. Here, this is demonstrative adjective and not demonstrative pronoun. Why? Why in first sentence it is this cycle is mine. This cycle is mine. Here, this is demonstrative adjective. Why it is demonstrative adjective? Because this is a word used before noun. Cycle is a noun. Here cycle is a noun અને this word છે એ સાયકલની આગળ યુઝ થયો છે, નાઉનની આગળ યુઝ થયો છે. So એ શું બનશે? ડેમોન્સ્ટ્રેટિવ એડજેક્ટિવ. Like this, those books are his. So here books is a noun. Books is a noun and here those is become demonstrative adjective. Why? Because those is a word which used before noun. Those word એ ક્યાં યુઝ થયો છે? નાઉનની આગળ યુઝ થયો છે. ઓકે, સો એ શું બનશે આ સેન્ટેન્સની અંદર? demonstrative adjective. So like this, that tiffin is hers. Here that is an demonstrative adjective. Why? Because it used before noun. Here which is noun? Very good. It is tiffin. Tiffin is a noun and that is a word which used before noun. So that is become demonstrative adjective and not demonstrative pronoun. જ્યારે demonstrative pronoun ક્યારે બનશે? જ્યારે એ નાઉનની જગ્યા ઉપર યુઝ થશે. ઇન્સ્ટેડ વેન ધીસ વર્ડ યુઝ ઇન્સ્ટેડ ઓફ નાઉન, નાઉનની જગ્યા ઉપર યુઝ થશે ત્યારે જ ડેમોન્સ્ટ્રેટિવ પ્રોનાઉન બનશે. નાઉનની આગળ યુઝ થશે તો ડેમોન્સ્ટ્રેટિવ એડજેક્ટિવ બનશે. રિમેમ્બર ધેટ ધોઝ એપલ્સ આર ધેર્સ. So those is demonstrative adjective because it used before noun. Apples is noun. So demonstrative adjective. Okay, here these, those, that, these are demonstrative adjective because they have been placed before noun. Okay, and which are the noun? Cycle, books, tiffin and apples. Okay, these are the nouns. Now let's see the definition of demonstrative pronoun. A pronoun that points out the object or objects to which it refers is called a demonstrative pronoun. Example, this is my pen. So this is a demonstrative adjective, demonstrative pronoun. Okay, let's see now the next type of pronoun, interrogative pronoun. These are the examples of interrogative pronoun. First one, who brings us letter? Whom do you like? Whose pen is this? Which is your house? What is the matter? Okay, all these words, who, whom, whose, which, what, these all are the words, they are included in interrogative pronoun. આ બધા શું કહેવાશે? Interrogative pronoun. Okay, now let's see the definition of interrogative pronoun, that is the last sentence. An interrogative pronoun is used to ask a question. જ્યારે ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછવા માટે આવા વર્ડ યુઝ થશે તો આ વર્ડ્સ શેની અંદર આવશે? ઇન્ટરોગેટિવ પ્રોનાઉન. જ્યારે ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછવા માટે યુઝ થશે. ઓકે, કયા વર્ડ્સ ઇન્ટરોગેટિવ પ્રોનાઉન્સની અંદર ઇન્ક્લુડ થશે? સો હુ, whom, whose, which, what, all are the words which are used in interrogative pronoun. Okay, now the further parts we have discussed later. Till then, take care students, stay home, stay safe.